Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Near Protocol. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we can notice is our monthly swing high. We can also plot in our swing low here, and we notice a reaction of support right here where price reversed drastically. So let's go ahead and hop into the weekly so we can see more price action. Now here on the weekly, what do we notice? We see a key level right here with multiple reactions acting as resistance and support. So we can also notice a key level right here where price acted as support, resistance, acted as support before price broke right through. Now, what about this level right here? We can see multiple reactions to the level. See reactions as resistance and support over here, and we see reactions as support and resistance. Now, we can also plot in our weekly swing high here. We can plot in one more level right here. So we see reactions as resistance, reactions as resistance, and we see reactions around the level acting as support, which we can see more clearly at this key level right here. Reactions as resistance, resistance, and support. So, looking at the chart, these are all of our key levels plotted. If you guys got any value from this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.